How to limit iPhone charging to 80%. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the battery option you see there. Further, you will see the option for charging. Tap on that. Now, in the interface that you would be led to, you will see the charge limit slider. Simply slide the charge limit slider to 80%, the option you see there, and with this, your iPhone will never exceed its charge to 80%. Make sure that this feature is only for iPhone 15 models and later on iOS 17. Also, it is best for people who always want to cap charge at 80% for maximum battery lifespan. So, this is how you can limit iPhone charging to 80%. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.